You guys are probably as surprised as I am. The video starts now. Today we're in the 2003 Jetta once again. We're going to try to clean up and restore this dash. So the first thing we're going to need detail brush, microfiber rag, microfiber applicator pad, Nonsense Invisible Super Clean from Chemical Guys, and VRP Protectant from Chemical Guys. So the first thing we're going to start with is going to be a nice spray down of our dashboard. It is disgustingly grungy, I'm sure. We're going to do half of it at first, just to see if this actually makes any kind of difference versus what it looks like currently. Now we go ahead and we wipe all of the yuck up out of here. Okay, so now that that's done, feels much better. We're going to give that just a second to dry up some. Make sure you shake it well. Don't be afraid to put it on there. Gently massage this into the dash. So now you're going to take your applicator, you flip it over to the dry side, and you can buff this clean with that. And now, if you take a look, bring the camera up and over here, you can clearly see that there is a huge difference in where we've cleaned and where we haven't. So now we're going to do that side. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. All nice and clean. My daughter did that side. I just applied the protectant. We even did the dash cluster, the center section of the dash. Boy, does this look good. So excited. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Now, remember to stick around to the end of the video for some bonus footage. And in the next video, we're going to find out just how well Nonsense Invisible Super Clean works on heavily soiled areas of a vehicle. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bonus footage.